a lot more progress in the last few days we were gone. They have the header column with rebar and poured, and then a layer of block across the top. And they poured in concrete around the bottom of this support column. And they're connecting to the house with the rebar chipped away into the rebar of the house, and then they weld it to make it very strong. And let's see. Now over here under the scaffold will be the CR. That will be the door coming out. But the outside, the CR, is going to be just addition. It will only go up to the window here. So it's coming out here further down to that corner, about 5 feet out, for shower and toilet. They left the space for the door there, and the rebar concrete header poured there. It's ready to pour there. And they built that whole wall at the end while we were gone. That over there is going to be a window looking out, and then there at that glass window of the house is going to be the door going inside to the living room. So it's going to have a door going inside the house, and over there is the door going to be going outside. You can see the big beams they made where they're raising up the floor to make sure the floor stays level, no roots cause it to buckle. And then there will be a couple of steps there, and it just leads out to a common courtyard for our neighbors. It goes around the house up to the front. We got rebar sticking out there. Oh, they're going to make a porch overhang for the door. Very smart. I don't have to tell these guys everything they know already. I'm very happy with the work that they're doing. It's very strong. You're doing a good job.